What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today we're going to be fixing these bent handlebars on this bike. If you guys are new to my channel, please do me a favor, click the subscribe and the notification bell so you can get all my new videos. So I picked this bike up and it looks like the bars are bent right here on the left. This one right here. It's been bent more up. So I think we're going to need to bend it down. You're going to need to find where your handlebars, the crease on which it's bent. So on this one, it's down here. This is where it's naturally bent, and that's where it bent the handlebar up. Alright, so we're going to just take a normal propane torch, light that up, and we're going to start heating it right here. Now if your bars are painted and you don't want to damage the paint, you're going to want to use the heat gun instead of the propane. But I don't really care about this, it's just flat black paint. So I'm going to heat it right on where that bend, right on where I think that bend is. I'm going to try and do it with the bars on. If it doesn't work, I'll have to take it to the vise. Feel if it's getting hot up here. There it is. Let me take these grips off, see if I can't get a better look at it. I think I need to bend them out a little bit towards you. Alright, that feels good. Alright, now looking from them dead on, they look pretty much there. Good enough for me. Alright guys, and that's how to fix some bent handlebars. If you guys are new to my channel, do me a favor, click the subscribe and the notification bell so you can get my new videos. Thanks for watching Johnny DIY, guys. Keep on doing yourself. Take care.